Yay, everyone. It is Friday. This morning we will share at 8:30 our fun Friday writing prompt. So take a look at what that is for today. Miss Rollins will be off today, so we will all meet together at 9:45 to take our Savas Realize test. After you complete it, there will be a spelling test in Seesaw for you to complete. At 10:45, we will all meet for math, and at 11:45, I will start my one-on-one meetings with those that I have for Friday. I will be giving you a final draft template to copy paste your People Mother's Day project. So it's more formal template. That you did already is your draft, and what you will upload will be on this template that I will send. There's also a place for you to draw a picture of your wonderful mom. Once I receive these from you, I will then send it to your mom for Mother's Day as a Mother's Day gift to her. Let's make it a great Friday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.